Well, welcome to my backyard. We are going to do a little project here. I've got a rock garden. There's a big birch tree that's supposed to be in there. There's like a ridiculous amount of trees that have grown up in there. I haven't really taken care of that for maybe 5 years. We're going to get the excavator and we're going to tear it out. This has to come out. This has to come out. My neighbor's big pine tree is going to stay. This big tall, it's a tree at this point. That's a tree, that's got to come out. All of this has got to come out. Okay, so the side here in front of the excavator was the worst. You can see the pile I have here already. I ripped some stuff out from over here. You can see underneath this tree there was some. It's in this pile. I still have this big thing to contend with. So I'm going to set the camera out again. I'm probably just going to drive on top of my pile, I think. Then we'll set the camera up from this side. I definitely disturbed the rocks, you know, made a hole, tore up some fabric. But if you look at this, that was a ton of junk that was in there, just an absolute massive amount of junk. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pile of brush that I pulled out from the rock garden, and I'm gonna put it here where we used to have a trampoline. We don't have it anymore. The grass is already wrecked there, and then I'm gonna make a big fire here. It's pretty green, so it's not gonna burn great, but you gotta do what you gotta do. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you're the best.
Thank you, bye.